My day, my day, my day. This is MB Costco Shipping, call sign Charlie Echo Papa 04 MMSI 35044 1269. My position is 30 degrees 20 decimal 5 minutes and 40 degrees 18 decimal 0 minutes E. I am talking on water rapidly. I require immediately assistance. 10 people on board over. Pan, 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 pan. All station, all station, all station. This is MB Costco Shipping, MB Costco Shipping, MB Costco Shipping. Call sign Charlie Papa Echo 04. My position is 30 degrees 20 decimal 5 minutes and 40 degrees 18 decimal 0 minutes west. My engine has failed and I'm drifting towards no hazard. I require assistance to avoid grounding over. Securite, securite, securite. This MV Costco Shipping, MV Costco Shipping, MV Costco Shipping. Call sign Charlie Echo Papa 04. My position is 30 degrees 20 decimal 5 minutes north, 40 degrees 18 decimal 0 minutes west. There is a large submerged on object in this area approximately 1 mile south of my current position. All vessels are advised to proceed with caution over.